This is how you read the alphabet chart with your child at home. You will read the letters first, and your child will repeat it. Once they know the letters, they can try to read it on their own. We're going to have Uyoyo be the teacher today, and the students, the rest of the class will be our students. Okay, Uyoyo, go ahead.
A apple. A apple. B bicycle. B bicycle. C cat. C cat. D dog. E egg. F fish. G goat. H house. I igloo. J Jack in the box. K kangaroo. L ladybug. M mouse. N nest. O octopus. P pig. Q quilt. R rabbit. S snake. T tiger. U umbrella. V volcano. W window. X-ray. Y yo-yo. Zebra.
Good job, Uyoyo. And after you do the alphabet, then you can go back and do the sounds with your child. The sounds. So let's try the sounds now, Uyoyo.
Apple. Bicycle. Cat. Dog. Egg. Fish. Goat. House. Igloo. Jack in the box. Kangaroo. Ladybug. Mouse. Nest. Octopus. Pig. Quilt. Rabbit. Snake. Tiger. Umbrella. Volcano. Window. X-ray. Yo-yo. Zebra.
Great job. Thank you, Uyoyo. So that is how you read the ABC alphabet poster as well as doing your sounds. Thank you.